The next act tonight is Marilyn Ann Bird.
Awful! It's awful! They're getting rid of a load of people! It's like that scene in Revenge of the Sith where all the younglings get killed and Yoda cries! It's a Star Wars reference. Oh, never mind. Look, I'm going to have to start work on Operation Save My Job. Well, it consists of several things. Firstly, be on great terms with the board. That means no more Trish in board meetings. Today, she spilt Ribena on a senior partner, and she referred to the comfort break as time for a wee. Secondly, Trish is going to be doing a lot more difficult work from now on. There's a far greater chance of her putting her big comedy foot in it if she's working at the thin end of the HR wedge. And thirdly, we're just going to have to do some digging, just to see if she's done something inappropriate. Oh. Oh, thanks. Yeah, no. I got most of it from the classic book, Office Bitch, or How to Shun the Sisterhood and Get What You Want. I can't remember who it's by. I think it's one of the regular Daily Mail journalists. Anyway, once the company makes its cuts, they won't need two of us in HR. Just me. No, look! I don't care if this isn't an appropriate call to place to the Samaritans. Idiots!